course. You know, I got blinders on. It's about the finish line. And we not in the fashion because that's what need to do to be seen. Nah, man, that's just part of the lifestyle. You know what I mean? And it goes hand in hand with the lifestyle. So it goes hand in hand with the lifestyle. So it goes hand in hand with the lifestyle. So it goes hand in hand with the lifestyle.
This is the hood, the place na matatawag ko na hometown. Proud to be Asian boy, now you know homegrown. Medyo may pagkaloko, malalasing sa kaping barako. Naging veterano sa tunugang klasiko. Kasama kong babalik sa lumang eskwela. Uptown, swinging mga letra ni reserva. The breaks beat, malulutong ang mga bayo. Di lang basta trabaho, kayang bumuo. Tumatanda na daw at nagkakaedad. Dito naging hiyang, sa Qatar ay nagbabad. Mainit ang weather, pag summer ay hirap. Kaya nagkukulong sa kwarto at doon ay nagrarap. I just make a range, melodies and operate. Yo, kakaibang tunog ang aking kine-create. Makinig ka na lang, tigilan mo ang magpanggap. Did you know that Pinoy hip-hop, we don't stop?
Laging fresh pag lumalabas sa lente. Sobrang cold kahit di pa man Disyembre. Kita mo yung tikas kayang galing yung sarili. Tapos libo-libo na din dating 20-20. Natural yung angas ay yabang yan want to sawa. Nabibili na rin yung mga dating di inakala. Kung dating di pinagpala ngayon ay sagana na. Nagbababad na lang sa stu, music naman kinakana. Winning season ay nadarama, damang-dama. Solo mission lang tutang ina, walang iba. Sana sa totoong buhay, di lang sa forma. Dating ako iniwan sa hukay, labo maumay. Buhay na patunay na pag may gusto kang makuhay, ganapan mo lang. Mga hindi tumaya sa'kin, pinapanis na lang. Ngayon manood ka lang kung paano kunin ang naiwan. I ain't trippin' pag sinabi kong di na mauubusan.
I'm a Asian boy, Filipino blood. Panoorin mo kami ngayon na lumipad. Babad sa stu habang sumasagad, yeah. Kada hakbang paangat ng paangat, yeah. Yeah, good kid, nasa'yo kung paano susubukin. Real shit, cause you know, laging ballin'. Mumulat ang mata, only blessing. Alam mo na ang gagawin, kuhanin ang kuhanin. Naka-flight mode on, God, life goes on. Di basta mari-reach out, QA zone. Matatag aming bilog, hindi nakakahon. Tunay to sa tunay, yeah, di lang ilusyon. Salamat sa batang ako, dito mo tinulak. Ngayon tamo natatamo, yan dati lang binalak. What's up sa mga tropa, may balita nakakalat. Naka-A sign, P sign, bagong lalaganap.
Creativity and competition is opposites. So you gotta draw from your pool of experiences for it to have that thing in it. And then to copy or to like compare or compete creatively, you confuse yourself. You know what I'm saying? Cause you miss all the dope shit that only you can do. It's a song that only I can write because it's only true to me. The specifics of it, them is the songs I need to write. And those is where I'ma really succeed. And I think I heard Ross say some real shit. He's like, man, I want every penny that's mine. I don't want a penny more or a penny less. And that's a good way to look at it. You know, I don't want any shine, success that ain't mine. You know what I'm saying? I just want all of mine. So I think that's gonna put you in the mindset of, you know, filtering yourself and challenging yourself.